got my toes in the water, ass in the sand. Not a worry in a world of cold beer in my hand. Life is good today. Life is good today. Well, the plane touched down just about 3 o'clock, and the city's still on my mind. Bikinis and palm trees danced in my head. I was still in the baggage line. Concrete and cars with their own prison bars, like this that I'm living in. But the plane brought me farther, surrounded my water, and I'm not going back again. I got my toes in the water, in the sand. Not a worry in a world of cold beer in my hand. Life is good today. Yeah, life's good today. Adios and bye, convenience. Yeah, I'm leaving GA. And if it weren't for tequila and pretty senoritas, I'd have no reason to stay. Adios and bye, convenience. Yeah, I'm leaving GA. Gonna lay in the hot sun and roll a big fat one, and grab my guitar and play. The 4 days flew by like a drunk Friday night as the summer drew to an end. They can't believe that I just couldn't leave, and I bid adieu to my friends. 'Cause my bartender, she's from the islands. Her body's been kissed by the sun, and coconut replaces the smell of the bar, and I don't know if it's her or the rum. I got my toes in the water, in the sand. I don't work in a world of cold beer in my hand. Life is good today. Yeah, life's good today. Adios and via convenience, a long way from the lake. It's where all the muchachas, they call me Big Papa, when I throw pesos their way. Adios and via convenience, a long way from the lake. Someone do me a favor and pour me some Jaeger, and grab my guitar and play. Going home out of state. The senoritas don't care when there's no dinero. You got no money to stay.